Hello and welcome back to all my crypto maniacs out there. How are you doing today? Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, this weekly technical analysis, as we always do. And then we're going to be talking about new competition that's going on Phemex, but more about that later. First of all, I do have to put out a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I do and say in this video is for entertainment purposes only. So please be smart and do your own research before you put any of your hard-earned money into these volatile markets. Now let's just jump into Bitcoin. First, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart, and we still have this daily and weekly support and resistance drawn right here, and it does look like it is respecting them still. It does look like we found some resistance at this weekly resistance here, then we broke it, found support, broke to the upside, we found some more resistance at this $34,600 level. We broke that all the way up to our weekly. We touch our daily, then back to our daily, and it still looks like we are respecting it. In the next video, we're gonna delete all of the support and resistances, and we're gonna draw completely new lines. Sorry, let me just turn off the sound on my phone. And we're gonna draw a completely new line because we do need a new perspective. We were trading in this, or we are trading in this area for about 76 days now, so we're gonna need a new support and resistance line to draw, even if some of these lines are gonna align, but we're gonna start fresh in the next video. So as we can see, we did have a nice kind of a bearish divergence here, because the price was trading higher while the RSI was trading lower, so this could be a result of that. But this does mean that if we go down and test our supports, we could have another bounce to the upside. I was a little bit surprised when we found support at this $29,000. I was expecting to go lower, however volume was not supporting that, and surprisingly we did have a nice bounce to the upside to our $42,000 level, which we talked about in the previous videos. I did tell you that $42,000 level is going to be the most important resistance, because we do have a lot of price action here. If you look in our previous past, you can see that we did have some rejections here at $42,000 level. We also did have some supports here. A nice bounce of this level, then we did find some support here, we broke it to the downside, and then we found resistance on these levels once again. Let's look at this last move here while we're on the 4-hourly chart, and let's look at the Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to go from our bottom to our top here, and we can see that right now we are finding support on 0.382 Fibonacci line. But I would rather see Bitcoin go down and retest this $34,500 to $35,000 level at our 0.618 Fibonacci line, which also corresponds with our daily support here, as 0.382 corresponds with this daily support. It just looks perfect. So I would love to see Bitcoin going down to this level and find some nice support here to continue to the upside. This would give me a nice entry for a long trade here. And why am I looking at that? Because if we look, let me just remove, now let's leave it like this. If we do look at fixed range volume profile here, and let's go from our bottom here to our top here, we can see that we do have the biggest volume here right at this 0.618 Fibonacci line. It corresponds nicely, it all aligns, so I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin going down, find a nice support here, and then bounce to the upside. And if you do that, I do believe that on the next retest we could break this $42,000 level. If we do that, my next target would be somewhere around $49,000 to $50,000 level, which is our next resistance. But I don't think that's gonna be a strong resistance. I'm pretty sure if we do get to about $50,000 level, people are gonna be very hyped. We might find some resistance here, of course. We're not just gonna go straight up. But if we do break this 42,000 level, I do believe we're gonna go and to the upside and see new all-time highs in the next few months. This is not gonna happen tomorrow, of course. It is gonna take some time, so don't expect Bitcoin to be at $60,000 level tomorrow. However, anything is possible. This is Bitcoin, of course, but we are trying to make some quite accurate technical analysis here. So I would expect this to happen in the next few months, because we don't want Bitcoin to just go up straight to the upside and then have a straight breakdown to the downside again. We need our resistances to be broken and retested as support. This is why we need to find some resistance while we are going to the upside, because if we don't find resistance, we are not going to find any support once we broke those resistances. So resistance and support is extremely important. This is going to be it for 4-hourly chart. Let's jump to the daily and let's look at the exponential moving average ribbon. And this, my people, is why I am becoming a bit more bullish on Bitcoin. We can see that our exponential moving average ribbon has been broken. Also, our 200-day moving average has been broken, which means we are in the bull market again. However, I would love to see a nice support on this daily. It would be nice if today's candle would close above 38,700, let's say. This would still mean that our candle close is above our 200-day moving average. And if we find some support here and then continue to the upside, we are golden. Then we will also have a nice spread, because we can see that our moving averages are switching to the bullish side, to the upside, which is incredibly bullish. I love to see this formation, it's incredible. And even this, where we go up and then we make another step to the downside, it just means that we are gonna be retesting our previous supports as our previous resistance as support, and this would give us another pump to the upside. And it looks beautiful for now, let's be honest. A lot of people are worried about this so-called double top. However, for now, I am not, unless we drop below this exponential moving average ribbon again. I'm not worried about this being a double top, because we clearly formed a higher high, and we also closed a candle fairly higher above. Let's see, we closed our previous candle here, and this one was closed about 4% higher, which is a lot. You may not think it's a lot, but that's a lot. If I even I measured about correctly, it's almost 4%, which is quite a nice confirmation from that standard point. So Bitcoin right now looking a bit more bullish to me, even though we did not break the $42,000 level as we are supposed to. I would still love to see a break to the upside and then retest the $42,000 level as support. This would give me a nice confirmation that we might turn back to the bullish side, and I might start entering some more longs instead of shorts, because every time that we formed, as you can see here, every time we broke and retested these levels as support, we had a nice bounce to the upside. We did have a small break to the downside here. However, the exponential moving average ribbons didn't turn to the bearish side as of that point, so we did still break to the upside, found support to the upside, found support, break to the upside, found support, and we just continued our way up all the way up to $60,000, $65,000 from our about $10,000 here that once we started our bullish momentum. So for now, I am a bit more, I'm still bearish until I see a confirmation here, of course, but I am getting a bit more to the bullish side, which is nice. If you do want to trade this, this could be really nice trades here to the upside if we continue higher. And if you want to trade this, you can trade this on spot or on leverage. Of course, leverage trading is for experienced traders only, but if you want to trade on leverage or even on spot, you can join Phemex in the link down below. The Phemex is right now offering via my referral code, because I do have a partnership with them. You can join via my link below and earn up to $1,000 in extra bonus. This would give you $1,200 bonus opportunity. If you deposit let's say 0.1 Bitcoin to the platform, you will receive $100 bonus. If you deposit 0.2 Bitcoin to the platform into the contract trading, you will receive $200 bonus. If you deposit 0.3, you will receive $300 bonus, and so on and so on, all the way up to 1 Bitcoin, which will give you $1,000 bonus, trading bonus for you, which you can then use to trade with. If you leverage that with, let's say, 10x leverage, this is a $10,000 trade, which is incredible. If you don't want to, if you do not want to risk your own capital, you don't have to. You can claim the bonus and then trade and risk with the bonus to make some more gains. Whatever you make off of this, if you make any profits with this trade, you can withdraw them immediately. They're not gonna ask you for any more deposits or anything like that. So you can join Phemex in the link down below. You also can get up to $200 in basic bonuses. Plus they also offer a lot of promotions where you can earn extra bonuses. And also they do have the Phemex Olympics right now, which is a trading competition with a maximum prize pool of $100,000. You can join Phemex and then click competition, and you will see a site like this where you can join. And they do have a bit different competition. This time it's a solo competition. You can join and you can compete for any prize that you might want to get. They're also offering other benefits for the top 10 players. That will get different gifts based on their ranking, which is socks, t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, and another socks, which looks incredible. I would love these socks, to be honest. So yeah, you can join Phemex in the link down below. If you want another alternative, you can also join Bybit via the link down below, where you can get up to $600 bonus right now. But we are working on increasing that bonus just for you, so you can join and use a little bit more bonus for you into your advantage for trading without risking any of your capital. But for now, Phemex is one of my favorite and more responsive platforms. I also love their customer support. Until you need the customer support, you don't appreciate the customer support. Trust me, once you're gonna need the customer support, you're gonna appreciate so much. And I love so much that once I write to them, within the next 24 hours I'm gonna have my response, unlike Binance, where I have to wait 6 months for my response, or even Coinbase, where they don't really give a beep about me, honestly, about any of their customers. So Phemex is the way to go. Okay, enough of Phemex for now. Let's jump to Ethereum really quick. I'm not gonna talk much about Ethereum, and we did have some few nice patterns here, and on the daily it's just like, look, it's just green, 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 green. For the past few weeks, you wouldn't be wrong if you bought, for the past 2 weeks basically, if you bought Ethereum, you would be in the green. I mean, it's just beautiful to see how everything is switching. We can see that we did broke 200 EMA, but we were quite above this 200 moving average for a while, and right now we are crossing our exponential moving average ribbons to the upside. Let's go to the 4 hourly. Let's close in a bit, and yeah, we're still forming higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This is still a bullish formation. However, we could be in kind of let's remove this and into this. I'm a little bit confused. Okay, here we go. In kind of a pattern. Let's see, is this a pattern? It's not really a beautiful one. Maybe something like this. This could be something like that, but it's not as beautiful as I would like it to. If you're looking at this, at the top we only have like 2 confirmations barely, and at the bottom also like 2 confirmations. So I'm not sure about this. I'm just gonna wait on Ethereum to see what's gonna evolve from this. If we would have some kind of a rising wedge like here, it would be a nice short opportunity. However, right now I'm not that confident into shorting or longing Ethereum. I'm just gonna wait to see what Bitcoin does. I am gonna be more focused on Bitcoin, and if you want me to do any technical analysis on any other coin, any altcoin, or talk about anything else. It doesn't have to be about any altcoins and anything. If there's anything you want me to talk about, just leave it in the comments down below. I'll read it out. I love to listen to all my comments and all my watchers, and I wanna try to answer any questions that I possibly can. So this is gonna be it for Ethereum. Binance Coin as well is battling here with this resistance. If we break to the upside, it's potentially huge profits for Binance Coin. However, Binance is having a lot of trouble right now, but Binance Coin doesn't give a peep about what's going on with Binance and all their lawsuits and everything. It just holding here. It's just holding this $300 level, and I wouldn't be surprised to see Binance Coin at around $1,000 by the end of the year, at least $1,000 by the end of the year. But we're gonna see how it evolves. It all depends on Bitcoin. So this is gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do, destroy the like button, click subscribe and notification button to be notified as soon as I post my next video. If you want to take advantage of $1,200 bonus, you can click in the Phemex link down below, where you can join Phemex and trade with that bonus without risking any of your capital. But of course, this is for leverage trading, is for experienced traders only. So if you feel you're not experienced trader, please start on spot, trade on spot. The percentage is going to be lower, but you're going to have way lower risk that goes with that lower reward. So again, I hope you have a great day and see you guys next time.